Let's say, right now, your account balance hit zero. Not low. Zero. No savings, no small something hiding in a fixed deposit. Just you, your phone, and a skill sitting inside your head, unused. Most people panic in that situation. They start looking for a miracle. A contract. A crypto tip. Someone's WhatsApp group promising to turn 10,000 naira into 100,000 in 1 week. And that, right there, is exactly how people with 0 naira end up with negative naira. So today, I'm not giving you a miracle. I'm giving you the exact roadmap I'd follow if I woke up tomorrow with nothing to make my first 1 million Nigerian nairas. Not overnight. Not through gambling. Through a process? Let's break it down. Phase 1, the first 7 days. Here's the mistake almost everybody makes. They spend 3 weeks researching the perfect idea. They watch 50 YouTube videos, join 4 Telegram groups. And they still haven't made 1 naira. If I had 0 today, my first 7 days would not be spent searching. They'd be spent choosing one skill I can already do, or learn fast enough to sell this week. Writing. Graphic design. Social media management. Video editing. Something small enough that one business owner, nearby or online, could pay me for immediately. Your laptop, your phone, and your ability to find one customer, that's your starting capital. By day 7, I want one thing done. Not perfection. One small sample of work I can show someone, even before anybody pays me. Phase 2, day 7 to day 30. This is where most people quietly give up. Because nobody claps for you at this stage. No big launch. Just you, reaching out, again and again, mostly getting ignored. But here's what I know. I don't need 100 clients. I need one. So I'd go where the customers already are. WhatsApp business groups. Local Facebook community pages. Instagram pages of small businesses that clearly need better content. I'm not waiting to be discovered. I'm showing up where the business owner is already standing. And I'm not chasing 500,000 Nigerian nairas from one client. I'm chasing my first 10,000 Nigerian nairas. Then my first 25,000 Nigerian nairas. Because the goal here isn't the money. It's proof. Proof that a stranger will pay me for this skill. Once that happens once, it happens again. Phase 3, day 30 to day 90. By now, there's a small trickle of income. Maybe 20,000 Nigerian nairas here, 40,000 Nigerian nairas there. This is where people make their second big mistake. They spend it all. New phone case, small Owambi. I've suffered, let me enjoy myself. If I'm building toward 1 million Nigerian nairas, this phase is about turning that trickle into a system. 2 things. First, I reinvest a portion into better tools or skills, so I can charge more. Second, I start building something that doesn't need my hours to earn. A digital product. A template. A simple guide. Something I create once, and sell repeatedly, alongside the client work. By day 90, the goal isn't 1 million Nigerian nairas yet. The goal is 2 income streams, instead of 1. Phase 4, day 90 and beyond. Here's the part nobody talks about enough. Making the money is only half the job. Keeping it, and growing it safely, is the other half. Because Nigeria in 2026 is full of people who will help you lose your first 1 million Nigerian nairas faster than you made it. The SEC has already warned Nigerians about unregistered investment schemes on WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram, all promising unusually high returns with 0 risk. If it sounds like that, it's not for me. Instead, once real savings build up, I'm looking at regulated options. Treasury bills. Registered money market funds. Places where my money is protected by a system, not a stranger's promise. Because inflation is still close to 16%. Money sitting idle is quietly losing value every single month. Earn, save, invest, reinvest. And slowly, that trickle becomes the foundation of an actual 1 million Nigerian nairas. So if I had 0 Nigerian nairas today, here's the honest truth. I wouldn't be looking for a miracle. I'd be looking for one skill, one client, one system. In that order. Most people don't fail to reach 1 million Nigerian nairas because the goal is too big. They fail because they're searching for a shortcut that skips straight to get rich. There is no phase that skips the work. But there is a path. Pick your skill this week. Find your first client this month. Build your system in 90 days. Protect what you earn after that. And in 12 months, you won't be the same person reading this with 0 Nigerian nairas in your account. So tell me, which phase are you in right now? Still picking a skill? Hunting for your first client? Or already building your system? Let me know in the comments. And if this gave you a real plan instead of just motivation, like this video, and subscribe, because next time, I'm breaking down how to take that first 1 million Nigerian nairas, and turn it into 5 million Nigerian nairas.